So the way eMaint is aligned with our processes and the way we manage our facilities is, for a good example of that is our OPEX team. And our OPEX team basically dictate or encourage our individual plants to participate in daily Gemba walks, daily accountability meetings. They drive our best practices to where we call them G&O meetings, but it's our monthly KPI meetings. What the customization of eMaint has allowed us to do is we can tailor our reports and tailor our dashboards to fit those processes. So an example of that would be our daily accountability. So when it comes to the maintenance portion, when the maintenance department comes up, they literally go right to the dashboard that we created in eMaint. It tells them instantly all the information they need for that activity that day. So it's instantly telling them what machines are down at that moment. I have a 24-hour report built out underneath that, so if something's not showing up on the down list. We also look at whether or not we're having labor charges and some of these adoption level KPIs in that meetings.